Hello children and welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn greater and less. So here you can see pens. So here you see how many pens are this. Count the pen children. This is one pen. And here next to it 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pens. Now which side pens are more? Here this is 1 and this is 4 pens. So which is more? Yes, 4 pens are more because the number is more. Here the number is less. So this is less and this is greater. This is greater and this is less. Next is here we can see I have kept some blocks here. Now children, count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next year we will count here. How many blocks are this? 2. So which side is more? Which side is greater? Yes children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is greater. So this is greater and this is the less ones. Now I will show you what things I am going to teach. Now here you can see one sign. This is the greater or less sign. So where there is more, this is a crocodile's face. This is a crocodile face. When the crocodile is in water and when the animal comes near it, it opens its mouth. So you can see this. So where there is more, the face of the mouth of the crocodile should be open. So here you can see where there is more. Yes, 4 is more. So here we will face. This is the greater sign. Now for the blocks. Which is more? Which is more? You can see here. Yes, this side's blocks are more. So the crocodile face has come to this side. This is more. So the open, it is open here, no? The mouth is open. So this is the sign of the greater. Same way children, in the class we have to see this greater than and less than. Page number 56. Page number 56. This is numeracy skill book. Again here I have skipped descending order. We have ascending and descending order, that is increasing or decreasing order. I will show you the greater and smaller sign and I will put some homework also. Now here count the number of birds in each box. 9 is more or greater than 4. Now here you can see the birds and here some birds. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here there are 4 birds. So which is the greater sign? Yes, this is the greater. So the value of the greater is, we have to face this sign. Now children, you can see teddies. 1, 2, 3 and here there are 2. So which is more? This side teddies are greater. So we have to face. The crocodile's face is to the 3, which is greater. Now here ducks. Here there are 2 and here there are 1, 2, 3. So here you can see 1. Where is the greater sign? Yes. Again here it is faced to the greater, which is 3. Children, now move to the page number 57. Count the things and put the correct sign, greater or smaller. Now here children, you can see 1 cat and here there is 1, 2, 3, 4 cats. So which side is more, children, tell me? Yes, these are more. So the crocodile's face will be next to the greater. Can you see this? Yes. Now here you can see some pastries, cakes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here there are 1, 2 and 3. So where is the greater ones? Which is the greater? Yes, 6. So where is the crocodile's face? To 6. Now next is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 is more and 3 is less. So where again we will face? Yes, children, this is the greater sign. We have to face to the greater ones. 3 is less than 7. Apples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here there are 1, 2 and 3. So which side is more? Yes, 5 is more. So 5 is greater. Can you see this sign? Yes. So hope children you understand this. Now here you can see circle the smaller number. Circle the smaller number. This will be your homework. You have to do it because these are the very less numbers. So just I will show you. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. So which we have to circle? The small number. So 6 is small to 9. So we have to circle it. After that is 3 and 7. 3 is less. 7 is more. So the smaller number we have to circle again. Now here it is 14 and 10. So 14 and 10. So what is less? Yes, this is less. 10 is very small number. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 comes. Yes or no? So here we have to circle the small number. Now here 7 and 12. 7 and 12. So again here it is 7 is small number. So we have to circle the small number. Now this children you have to do it your homework. This is your homework. Next one is this is the bigger number. Color the bigger number. So here you have to color in the circle. Which is the bigger number here? 6 and 8. So here the number 8 is big. So you have to circle this. Sorry, you have to color it. You can color anything. Any color, whichever color you want, you have to color. This is the biggest number. So 8 is the bigger number. You have to color, children. Now 1 and 10. So what is big in this? 1 and 10. 10. 10 is bigger. So you have to color the number. Inside you have to color. 13 and 11. Which is bigger? 13. You have to color it. 19 and 3. Which is bigger here? 19. Yes. You have to color 19. So this is the thing I wanted to teach you. This is there for your exam. I will be giving you the homework. So hope you understand this. I hope you liked also. Okay. Thank you, students. Bye bye.